A little bit earlier in the conversation, I made the mention that some organizations will try the approach of first partnering with their credentialing owners, or the folks who manage the payer databases across the organization, or even other data sources. And I had mentioned that there are definitely limitations in taking that approach. And so this particular slide gives a few talking points. If that's something that your organization has done, in short, because they're under pressure to be able to find a means to an end, and you're feeling the challenges of having taken that route, then certainly maybe reach out to Heidi or Carson, and I'd be happy to share some additional slide decks or some additional content to maybe help push you in the direction, or to help pull the stakeholders in your organization to the direction of looking instead to master data as a long-term solution. The clients that I've worked with who have initially tried to identify what they've deemed as a source of truth from their credentialing systems or those other systems that I had mentioned have found over the years there's a lot of limitations to it. And I would say, given the pressure that we have on producing even more, managing even more data elements, more attributes for reporting purposes, especially in light of a lot of the changes that are forthcoming around bundled payments, various different CMS initiatives around reporting, it's going to be more and more complex for those data sources to be able to manage the demands on a long-term basis. And so that's why when you introduce master data, not only can you aggregate, pull together, match, standardize, cleanse, manage the data quality of the data, you can also introduce a process to manage reference data.